Stephanie Stitches here. Welcome to my channel where together we sew. If you're brand new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring the bell for notifications. It'll allow you to know when I'm going live or post up videos like this one. And if you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back. I love seeing all of your comments down below. So today, I was not having such a great day, but that's okay. You can find a positive in every day. So my positive today is when I opened the mailbox, my day improved. I got some happy mail. Yay, the pastry shop box. So I was like jumping the gun to get this open to improve my mood a little bit. So let's go ahead and take a peek and see what's inside. So here I have my Pastry Shop Quilts box of treats. I believe this is box number 5. I'll have to go back and count them. This comes from Pastry Shop Quilts, and they're curated by the owner of Pastry Shop Quilts, Cherie. She does an amazing job and writes her patterns, and they're just great. I love everything she's done so far, so I can't wait to see what's in here. So I took it out of the package and I cut the little sticker, but that's all I've done so far. I haven't seen anything inside, so I'm excited to get it open. That's what the inside looks like. Yep, treat box number 5 right there on top. Okay, let me grab that. Ooh, looks like we've got a bunch of goodies in here. Okay, it says, welcome to the treat box number 5 Bella Stars. This box was originally curated as the July box, so it has a 4th of July theme. However, Labor Day is just around the corner, so it all works out. This quilt features the Beyond Bella collection by Annie Brady. She gave some of the classic Bella fabrics a hint of texture to liven them up. I designed this quilt with a star block with star point sashings. When it all comes together, 2 different stars emerge. I use Robin Pickens Thatched Blizzard for the background because it has a similar cross-thatched look of the Beyond Bella. The blue Beyond Bella for your border is Cobalt. In this box I've included a mini cutting mat to keep handy by your machine. I love Lori Holt's Cute Cuts ruler that you can use to measure up those flying geese blocks used in the quilt for the star points. As always, a spool of thread is included with a spool hugger. To round out your star-studded box, I've included Holiday Essentials Americana by Stacy Itsu for your mini charm. Have fun sewing, stay safe, and enjoy your box. Happy sewing, Cherie. Aw, that's nice. She always has a really nice note. Now, I did remember last month she had told me that the box we got last month was supposed to be the box we got this month, but she had to swap them around due to fabric issues. If you all don't know, there's still a lot of delays and backups with fabrics in the industry arriving late. So sometimes, you know, as shop owners, we have to flip things around real quick. And she did a great job because the one that we got last month wasn't supposed to come until this month. So she quickly scrambled and rearranged everything. So kudos to her. So this was right on top. You guys probably can see it sitting here. And, oops, part of the pattern came out. This is gorgeous. This is called Bella Stars. And it looks like it finishes at 55 by 55. And if you've been watching me for any length of time, you all know how much I love stars. So, oh, that's pretty. This is going to be a gorgeous quilt. And I've seen the Beyond Bella fabric line. It's really nice. It's like a new basic. It's all the Bella colors, but with, like she said, a little texture on there. So we got a little Olfa cutting mat. That's really cute. So that's 8 by 6, 6 by 8. You can put right next to your table. That's perfect if you're a foundation paper piecer, because most of the time those pieces are little, so that's great for cutting that. Oh look, we got a little lollipop. That's really cute. My kids are gonna fight over that, but they're gonna love it. They might just share it. Sometimes they do share. Oh, this color is beautiful. Look at this blue. This is like a cobalt blue. It matches the border fabric nicely. Oh, that's gorgeous. Y'all know I love my blues. And then she gave us a spool hugger. She always gives us a spool hugger with a thread, which is really nice. And then she gave us a little mini charm, Holiday Essentials by Stacy Itsu. And this is the fabric line that, or some of the fabrics I think, that we're using. Oh, maybe it's not the same one. This is what I thought we were using for the block of the month. They're a little bit different, but similar to that. If you all don't know, Cherie's got a block of the month that's starting this weekend. Actually, she's going to start shipping them out. It's called the Patriotic Days block of the month, and it's going to run from basically this Labor Day to next Memorial Day. It's a 9-month block of the month. There's 2 blocks every month except for month 9, which will be the finishing, the sashing and sashing blocks, things like that. I will be sewing it here on my channel as a tutorial, so go ahead and check that out. If you guys already get this box from her, check out her block of the month. It's going to be great. And it's not a mystery, so you can see what it's going to look like. Okay, so we got this little cute cuts ruler from Lori Holt and Riley Blake Designs. That's really cute. 2.5 by 4.5. Perfect size to fit on there. And then it looks like we got 2 of these charm packs. That's a really great color for you to be able to see the design. There you go, that one too. Aren't these pretty? They're like a new basic from Moda Fabrics. I just like it. It gives a little more interest than just a plain solid, but can read as a solid in a quilt. So I could see a white in that there. Like, you can't really see the cross hatches, but if up close you can. In the camera you can't see it, but that would be a great background fabric. Or this gray. Yes, these are so pretty. Oh, look at that. That's coming across more Christmassy red, but it's actually like a pinky red. It's really pretty. Nice. Okay, so we got 2 of those. Excuse me. And then we got the blue cobalt that she was talking about for the border. So it looks like all you're going to have to bring is some background fabric, and it's not a big quilt, so you probably don't need a ton. Let's see, 3 yards of background fabric. Yeah, so probably most of us have that in our stash, but this is great. I love this box. Oh my goodness, holy cow. She always picks the best stuff, and I have not been disappointed yet. So thank you so much, Cherie. I do get this box for review from her, but the opinions are my own. But this, oh, what a great box. I just love it. This pattern, yes please. Now, if you are not subscribed to this box, she does have this box available as 2 different prices, and I will put that information in the description box below with a link to her shop. And I will also put a link to the block of the month. But if you can't commit to a subscription, she actually offers these boxes as a one-off too, so you can go in and purchase just this box if you like this one. It's a little bit higher of a cost if you don't subscribe, but still a really good deal for what you get. So great. Thank you, Cherie. This is a great box. Well, what a great surprise this was to lighten my mood for the day. Thank you so much, Cherie, over at Pastry Shop Quilts. I really appreciate you sending me this box. And like I said, all the opinions are my own, but I truly love this box. This is probably one of my favorite of all the subscription boxes, and I get a lot of them. Not that I don't like the others, but her patterns are always definitely my style, so I get really excited to see her patterns. So take care, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye!